So you want to change the row color when a payment is received. We have a status here in the F column, paid and unpaid. Let's first change this to a drop-down menu. And this will be F2:F. Select done. And now we can, in just a click, select paid or unpaid. But we want to change the entire row to green, let's say. How do we do that? Let's go up to Format, Conditional Formatting. We're selecting A to G here, and our format cells rule is going to be custom formula is equals F1, actually F2 equals, in quotes, paid. But you see, only one cell is colored. So what we need to do is put a $ in front of the F, and the entire row changes color. So we'll put dark green here, click done. And now, but this is only to row 2. So let's take out the 2's and let's change F2 to F1. Now you can see all of the rows that are selected as paid are green. Click done. And that's all we need to do. Conditional formatting will change immediately from unpaid to paid. The row color will turn to green. Hopefully that was fun and easy for you. Enjoy. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.